Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how to remove I'm not a robot in your Google Chrome. So first of all, you're going to have to download a extension. So open your browser, then type in Chrome Web Store, then select Chrome Web Store. Now in Chrome Web Store, you're going to have to search for this specific name that says Buster CAPTCHA Solver for Humans. So select Add to Chrome and select Add Extensions. Wait for this to load. And now you can see that the extension is right here. Let's go ahead and use it. Let's go ahead and toggle it on if you would like. You can pen it in right direction. And likewise, you may go ahead and select Download App. And likewise, now the installation process has been completed. It says the client app has installed for the current browser. Now you may go ahead and use it. Make sure that you are checking in time to time. And all you have to do is toggle on some buttons. And likewise, guys, this is how you can avoid the I'm not a robot. Thank you for watching.